Hi friends, let's get started without delay. In this video, I will show you how to add a watermark in Google Docs using an image. First, open your document in Google Docs. Then go to the top menu and click Insert. After that, click Page Elements and then choose Watermark. A panel will open on the right side. Now select Image. Click Select Image, then upload the picture you want to use as your watermark. You can choose an image from your computer, Google Drive, Google Photos, or paste an image link. After uploading, Google Docs will place the image as a watermark in the background of your document. If needed, you can adjust how it looks. When everything looks good, click Done. And that's it. Your image watermark is now added to the document. If you want to change or remove it later, open the watermark settings again and edit it there. That's how to add an image watermark in Google Docs. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more simple and useful tech videos.